Friends, I welcome you all of you. First of all, I would like say you please you subscribe my channels. My channel's name is Yade English Speech. Friends, do you want to learn English? Same way as I am doing now. If you want to learn English, same as I am doing. Daily by daily, please you make one video. That's your practice will be grow. Your word power will be strong, your communication will be strong in like this. That's all things will be strong, especially speaking. Your mouth will be open. So friends, whatever today I am saying, please you listen my matter. Today my matter, if you have done something, that's you study complete, you any course you completed. Example, you have done B.Ed, you have done M.A, and you have done engineer in whatever any course, but one course you completed clearly. Yeah, it means you know about that all things, whatever you have done course. So whatever you have done in that course will be work your future. Yeah, that things is happen your ability, your capacity. It is no so matter, friends. In now you are hardworking, after that you will not get benefit. No, it is impossible. Now you are hardworking, one day you will get benefit, you will get advantage. I give you example. There are many peoples who is success in same way whatever we are doing now. In now I am speaking and it translate I am doing mistake. Yeah, it is it right? It is right, because any grammatically I am living whatever we have no knowledge, but in same way slow by slow your English speaking will be right, will be grow. But one matter, you have not to leave. If you will leave, you give up, that all things will be slow. Remember one thing, you have not to leave.